Creating a baby-safe kitchen is an essential step for any parent. As your little one starts exploring, ensuring their safety becomes a top priority. Here are some practical tips to help you transform your kitchen into a safe haven for your baby. First, focus on securing cabinets and drawers. Install child-proof locks to keep curious hands away from sharp objects and cleaning supplies. Remember, out of sight is out of mind, so store hazardous items in high, inaccessible places. Next, consider the stove and oven. Use stove knob covers to prevent accidental turning of burners. When cooking, always use the back burners and turn pot handles inward to avoid spills. An oven lock can also be a wise investment to keep your baby from opening it. Don't forget about electrical outlets. Cover them with safety plugs to prevent little fingers from exploring these dangerous spots. Also, ensure that cords from appliances are neatly tucked away and out of reach. The kitchen floor can be a hazard too. Keep it clutter-free and clean up spills immediately to prevent slips. Consider using non-slip mats in areas where water is frequently used, like near the sink. Lastly, create a safe play area in the kitchen. Designate a specific spot where your baby can play with safe toys while you cook. This not only keeps them entertained, but also allows you to keep an eye on them. Remember, vigilance is key. Regularly check your kitchen for potential hazards and make adjustments as your baby grows and becomes more mobile. Creating a baby-safe kitchen is an ongoing process, but with these tips, you can ensure a safer environment for your little explorer.